Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to use Picsart Color Replace. Picsart's Color Replace tool is a fantastic way to change the hue of specific colors in your image. So here's a basic guide for that. First of all, open up the Picsart application on your mobile device and then import your image. Tap on the plus button at the top left and select an image from your device's camera roll or other sources provided, such as backgrounds. After selecting any images that you want to edit, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Effects. Inside the Effects tab, go ahead and swipe through Colors and click on it. Inside the Colors tab, click on Color Replace, which is normally in the third option. After you select Color Replace, from the image, tap on the color you want to replace. After you do that, your color will be selected. Select the desired color for the replacement and drag the Replace Hue option in order to pick a different color or to fine-tune the color change. You can also explore around the minimum hue or the maximum hue tabs. Once you're satisfied, save the image to your device by clicking on Apply at the top right and clicking on the Download button at the top of the screen. Choose one of the file type you would like to download and then select the quality for your image and click on Save at the bottom in order to save your color replaced image. So that is how you can easily use Picsart Color Replace. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.